jumps higher sometimes.
That's a standing jump.
What does that mean?
Well, that means it's pretty good for a standing jump. He's not like running
Yeah.
and jumping up. Are you taking a video of that?
Yeah.